Python, how to identify if a variable is an array or a scalar. I have a function that takes the argument and bins. I want to make a call to this function with a scalar 50 or an array 0, 10, 20, 30. How can I identify within the function what the length of bins is? Or said differently, if it is a scalar or a vector? I tried this. As you see, I can't apply len to p, since it's not an array. Is there something like isArray or isScalar in Python? Thanks.
Note: isInstance also supports a tuple of classes. Check type x in ... should be avoided and is unnecessary. You may also want to check not isInstance x, str, Unicode. As noted by at 2080, and also here this won't work for NumPy arrays. E.g. in which case you may try the answer from at jpattison 3. However, as noted here, this is not perfect either, and will incorrectly, at least according to me, classify dictionaries as sequences, whereas isInstance with collections.abc.sequence classifies correctly. You could customize your solution to something like this, add more types to isInstance depending on your needs.
Previous answers assume that the array is a Python standard list. As someone who uses NumPy often, I'd recommend a very Pythonic test of
combining at Jamalake and at jpattison 3's answers together. If you need to be robust against NumPy arrays as the input and handle them in the same way as lists, you should use. This is robust against subclasses of list, tuple and NumPy arrays. And if you want to be robust against all other subclasses of sequence as well, not just list and tuple, use. Why should you do things this way with isInstance and not compare type P with a target value? Here is an example, where we make and study the behavior of newList, a trivial subclass of list. Despite x and y comparing as equal, handling them by type would result in different behavior. However, since x is an instance of a subclass of list, using isInstance x, list, gives the desired behavior and treats x and y in the same manner.
Is there an equivalent to isScalar in NumPy? Yes,